or no, so and so we cannot, or let's re-advertise this because the best bidder in this tender is so and so, yet we wanted so and so. Is that what we should do in government? I will insist saying no. And I'm giving you these reasons. Why are we slowly developing cold blood, resulting into impeachment moves? When you ask, is this the way we are working? I've gone quietly to my boss, the governor, and I'm asking, Governor, this is not right. Governor, this is not right. Can you move official business from your residence so that we do not have a situation where we come and we are hosted by the First Lady as the protocol officer in charge? And two, we are also under the directions of the First Lady to tell us what to do. Most of the time chairing official meetings, at most times clashing with the officers, or most of the time. And this clashing has spread out there from the residents, from the senior officers to the directors and to everybody else. Is this the way work is done? No. We only work in gazetted government premises. So if I told you come here, oh, see me in this house or see me in the other one, it's an official. And I'm saying this with all the confidence that I understand the practice in government. So if I pointed out this is irregular, then it becomes a ground for impeachment. Why is the deputy governor questioning the authority? But authorities have also a law to regulate the way authorities work. It's not working in darkness.